What's up, guys? Okay, right now we're going to be in West Haven, Connecticut with police officer Richard Nacarado. And on July 1st, 2025, he used excessive force by punching, some say, an autistic homeless man. Some articles don't. I'm not sure if he's autistic or not. Anyway, this cop punches him 18 times in the head during an arrest. Apparently, the place he was at, they asked him to leave. Anyway, he's sitting on the sidewalk, and these cops just ain't having no part. This cop ain't having no part of it. During the arrest, Nicarado was arrested on October 24th, 2025, and released on a $50,000 bond. He remains on admin leave, I'm guessing paid. Paperwork has been submitted to P.O.S.T, the Peace Officer Standard and Training Council, recommending his decertification. He was scheduled to appear in court December 17th, 2025 in Danbury, because they moved it from here to Danbury so there wouldn't be a conflict of interest, they said. Anyway, he was supposed to appear December 17th, 2025 in Danbury Superior Court for his second-degree assault charge. I can't find anything on it. Anyway, West Haven, Connecticut, police officer Richard Nacarado. Also, I'd like to note, like 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button, it's free. West Haven, Connecticut, that's where we're at right now.
I mean, this is their call. This is
I was wondering if he's ever going to turn that on.
you guys to deal with. I don't know. I don't care. I have no business with that. I mean, really, they're the callers. They call. So I guess you guys talk to.
He's sitting on the sidewalk eating. There's plenty of room for the people that are not out there. There's nobody out there. 10, almost 11 o'clock at night. He's sitting there eating. They could just leave him alone. Also, this is public.
Them. I was just letting her know what they said. They said this is loitering. You can't stay in here. They said this is private property. You can't sit here. You have to get off here. So it's like maybe they're right. Maybe this is part of.
Is this such a big deal? You can't just sit on a bench. I mean, you want to sit on the ground and eat food?
I don't care. I got nothing to say to either of you. As long as I'm legal, I'm fine. I'm eating.
You're leaving?
As long as I'm legally here, I'm fine. I'm eating. I mean, I'm not the caller. I'm not here to talk to you. I'm just eating.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
No, I mean.
Okay.
What crime do you suspect he's committed? None.
Do you have a name?
Yeah, I guess it's legal for me to be here.
Listen, you can walk on the sidewalk, right? But sitting in the middle of the sidewalk.
Yeah, you're impeding traffic.
Yeah,
What traffic is he impeding? There's no traffic. They're just looking for something.
I mean, this is their property.
This is city property. I'm letting you know you're impeding traffic, foot traffic.
I know. They told
So
me
you can't
this
sit.
belongs to them.
I'm telling you
It doesn't.
that you're impeding foot traffic, so you have to move.
Here, you want to get past the whose property it is? This is city. That's it.
Okay, you understand my side of the story.
You're gonna understand something really quick. Take your stuff, go over there.
No,
No?
no.
So you're interfering with what I'm telling you.
Where am I interfering with?
You're still on the sidewalk. You're impeding foot traffic. It's like sitting in the road, except this is for people who walk.
It's not like sitting in the... He is so stupid.
I moved out. Okay.
Now he's moved back and it's still not good enough.
As soon as you told me it's not their property.
I'm gonna say it one more time. I'm gonna say it one more time.
Get your
Get up.
sergeant. Get your
No
sergeant.
problem. Put your hands right back.
That cop couldn't wait to go hands on.
Send the car. Send cars.
That is absolutely ridiculous. He should be in prison. Even she's looking like, what the hell? I think she's the one that actually reports it.
45. Get me cars and a 75. JRs.
No, I'll do this. It's your car.
I hope this guy files a lawsuit.
What's going on here?
You should arrest me. You started an assault. I'm innocent. Hey, I'm allowed to do this. It's my right in the law. Check it. All right, are you help? I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Yeah,
Put your other hand behind your back.
well, I just can't, fit it.
Well, it's kind of hard for him to put his other hand behind his back when he's laying on it because you're holding him down, dumbass.
Hey, it's not my fault. These guys are corrupt.
Put a handcuff on him.
No, they are corrupt. Listen.
46 here at 555 sample. What do you need left? DM75 for?
Stop moving.
Laceration on the face. And he's going to have blunt force trauma to his head.
If you've got a small channel and you're not making money yet, even
All right, next.
And now at 10, we are getting a new look at the moment an officer is accused of using excessive force during arrest back in July. Thanks for joining us on the Fox 61 News at 10. I'm Brent Harden.
And I'm Sarah Sanchez. We first brought you this story as breaking news on the news at 6 tonight, but Fox 61's Stephen Reels has been looking over that video. He's in West Haven with a breakdown of what's in it.
Since early July, Richard Nacarado has been on administrative leave from the West Haven Police Department over what happened in the body cam video you are about to see. Now, due to the nature of the situation, Fox 61 has edited parts of the video, which still may be disturbing to some viewers.
They said this is private property. You can't sit here. You have to.
Newly released video review.
Not private property. The sidewalk is not private property. It's the city's property, which taxpayers pay for. Now, the business owners are responsible for keeping it clean, keeping ice off of it, shit like that, but this is public property.
Reveals the moments that led up to Officer Richard Nacarado acting outside of his training, according to the West Haven Police Department.
Is it such a big deal you can't just sit on a bench?
Originally, the West Haven officer was called to Campbell Avenue on July 1st, where the man behind the black box refused to move from where he was sitting in front of a bar, despite multiple requests from police.
As long as I'm legally here, I'm fine. I'm eating. I mean, I'm not the caller. I'm not here to talk to you.
This back and forth continued for a while and slowly became
Notice this one's got nothing to say.
heated.
You understand my side of the story?
You're gonna understand something really
She's only there because there's a male officer there.
quick. Take your stuff. Go over.
Although this is really a non-call call. He's not doing anything wrong.
No?
No.
So you're interfering with what I'm telling you.
Where am I interfering?
Eventually, the man began to ask for Nacarado's superior officer. This is where things began to get physical.
Get up. Sergeant. Get your
No
sergeant.
problem. Put your hands right back.
Now, I saw an article that said that this guy lunged at him. He did not.
The officer began to force the man's hand behind his back and appears to force the man to the ground.
Appears?
In the body camera video, you can see Nacarado punch the man a reported 18 times.
Send the car.
Help! I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Yeah.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Well, I just can't fit it.
Things finally ended after about a minute and a half once another officer handcuffed the man. But the damage was already done.
Stop
You
moving.
notice all the good cops that stopped that? You don't.
Laceration on the face, and he's going to have blunt force trauma in his...
Or even questioned it.
Hospital records show the man complained of head and neck pain and had minor head injuries. Nacarado has been charged with second-degree assault, and state police are handling the case. We will have a full breakdown of the investigation on our website, fox61.com. In West Haven, Stephen Reels, Fox 61.
Thank you, Stephen. As usual, the other cops stand and watch. They should all be charged as a gang. I'm not sure anyone's but the female one were there at the time, dereliction of duty, but it seemed like somebody would have questioned what happened. Dereliction of duty by the other officers not stopping the officer who assaulted the guy. And after all that, he gets paid vacation while his buddies investigate. Yes. How is punching a non-combative guy on the ground 18 times only second-degree assault? Well, that's what my question was. And where's the good officer that steps in to stop it? Well, show me any other job that would give you a paid vacation for assaulting someone like this. Yes. Imagine how many times this officer has not been caught beating up a citizen. Did we see any officer jumping in to stop the citizen being assaulted during the severe beating by this government employee? Nope. Nothing will happen to that officer. They all have egos, and when you hurt their egos, they go directly to abusing their authority and the citizens. This is exactly why people don't trust cops. Nothing more, nothing less. Law enforcement is the biggest threat to the American public. Well, yes. That's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, I don't know, 82% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to their channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.